Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to link your bank account in Gemini. So to get started with the easy workaround, the first thing to do is to log into your Gemini account on the website or using the mobile app version. Then after that, go to the account. So to go to the account, tap the icon or the account tab and select the funding or bank account and routine. Then after that, tap add new bank account or similar option. Then choose your deposit method. Typically use ACH, which is the United States Bank transfer. Then enter your bank routine number, account number, and the account type, which if it is checking or saving account. Then reviews and confirm with your Gemini password or use 2FA if prompted, which is your two-factor authentication. Then Gemini will initiate the small verification deposit into your bank under $1 each, which is the required. Then check your bank accounts in 1 or 2 business days for the deposit amount. Then return back to Gemini, go back to the bank verification section and enter the exact micro deposit amount. Then after that, once verified, your bank account is officially linked and you can now deposit or withdraw USD. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.